Hi, Mike from Custom Cruise here. Here we have a Jagged wheel. This is by Arlen Ness. As you can see here, beautifully made wheel. Absolutely stunning wheels. Okay, beautiful ain't the word. These really are high quality. See, even though all the inside's chromed properly, a lot of people just don't bother chroming all that kind of stuff. As you can see, this is 17 by 6.25. So this is for your fat boys. This is for your 200 tyres. Okay, we should have a matching rear, a 19 and perhaps a 16. If you're interested, give us a call, 01773835666. Alternatively, www.customcruisers.com or customcruisers.eu if it's on. But these particular items are obviously on offer, so when they've gone, they've gone. But as you can see, quality wise, Arlen Ness, I've actually got one of these on the back of my electric line, so you can fit, you know, a big wheel on an earlier glide. Mine's a 95, by using one of these wheels and a swinging arm kit and a thinner belt. So any Arlen Ness stuff you need, as you can see, they're all dated when they were made, etc. But very, very, very high quality. Also available for all different bikes. This particular one, in fact, I'm saying it wrong, this is 3/4 bearing, but we've got them in. We can change the bearings for ABS or whatever you like. So if you want a late bike, even ABS, we can make one of these fit that as well. So give us a call. Diners, whatever you like, baggers, we can make them fit everything. 01773835666. Alternatively, customcruisers.com or customcruisers.eu. Thank you.